Okay, so this is a spinal cord model without the vertebrae. On the model of the spinal cord, there's the posterior median sulcus. So the posterior median sulcus is right this little line. Then the anterior median fissure. So on the anterior portion, the little fissure. And then the central canal. Nope, that little tiny hole. Right in the middle. Yep. The central canal right in there. And then on the gray matter, the following features the posterior gray horn. So that's the posterior. The lateral gray horn.
Right in here.
And then the anterior gray horn. Then the anterior gray commissioners. So the anterior gray commissioners. So that's part of the. The gray commissioners are the part of the H, the cross. And then the posterior gray commissioners. So that makes up the line in between the H. And then in the white matter, you have the posterior white column. Posterior white column. The anterior white column. And then the lateral white column.
Is that it?
Yeah. Oops.